How to use the productivity view to track progress on tasks in Todoist. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use the productivity view to track progress on tasks in Todoist. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Todoist account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your inbox, that is your taxes so far. Then by the left side of the screen, you can see other options as well. You can see the search icon, you can see inbox, today, upcoming, filters, and labels. And then the next step or the next thing you must notice that the productivity view in Todoist is a handy feature that allows you to review your completed tasks. To track your progress towards daily and weekly goals and see how many karma points you accumulated. And here is how to do it. The first step is to go to your top left corner, and then you would see your profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, just go ahead and click on settings. All right, so after clicking on settings page will be displayed. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu displaying options like accounts, general, advanced, subscription, the theme, productivity. Just click on productivity. Now, after clicking on productivity, you will be brought to the page where you see details about your productivity. And for you to be able to use this productivity view to track your progress, all you need to do is to check out your completed tasks, your daily and weekly goals, your points, and then how far you have gone. So yeah, you can see that the to do it comma is on. This is to help you to be accountable. And then under your goals, you can see your daily tasks. You can see your 30. Now, so far, I have not completed any tax. That's why it is not showing completed tax. But for you, once you completed the tax, it should be displayed, and then you can also see weekly tax and all, and you can see goal celebration. So whenever you finish your daily tax or weekly tax, you always have your goal celebration being displayed. So you can also use this as a means of um of tracking your progress. Yes, yes, you're tracking your progress. All right, so this is it. And then you can also turn on vacation for you to be able to reward yourself whenever you carry out a task or whenever you complete your task effectively. All right, so let's go back. So this is basically how you can use this productivity view to track your progress or to do it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.